everyone, welcome back today. The phrasal verb that I have for you today is to draw on. This is a good one because it's common in real life and I've also seen it many times in exams, specifically the Cambridge exams. I've seen that coming up many times in the first certificate and the advanced. To draw on means to use something as a resource. And one important note about draw on is that it's actually an inseparable phrasal verb. So even if you use it with a pronoun, you're going to say draw on it or draw on them. And the types of things that we tend to draw on are things like knowledge, experience, skills, or it could be something physical like money. Let's have a look at some examples. She drew on her experience as a manager when she was dealing with a difficult employee. Or if I lost my job, I would have to draw on my savings until I found other work. So that's it for draw on. If you found this lesson useful, please like the video, share it, leave a comment with your use of the phrasal verb. Don't forget to hit the notification bell because that will mean that you'll get notified as soon as there is a new video lesson uploaded. So thanks for watching and bye for now.